Just want to talk about that resistor set that controls fan speed in a HVAC ventilation system. So in our 310SG, I'll assume it's the same in the IT20AG that we looked at as well. You've got a multi-position fan control, and when you go to the highest fan speed, which may be third speed, fourth speed on some, basically then the power from you're sending full voltage right to the fan blower motor that runs the squirrel cage fan. But if you go to speeds 3, 2, 1, you need to reduce the voltage to that fan motor. And so the way they do that is they send the power en route to the fan motor through some very crude looking resistors, just basically heater coils that will certainly glow red or orange, although you don't see them because they're inside the ductwork. But they'll mount this right in the plenum where the air is moving to the circulation fan. Otherwise, if these didn't have airflow across them, they're likely to have a very short lifespan. They can heat up and burn out. So you get different resistance values. You can check these with an ohm meter per spec and make sure the resistance values are proper. But again, when you're trying to slow that fan down, what they're doing is putting the power to the fan motor through one or maybe a series or a set of these resistors to give you your different fan speeds. And if you've got a system where only the highest fan speed works, and speed 4 works, but 3, 2, 1, there's nothing functioning, well, then you may have these resistors all open circuited. And the reason they could be open circuited is because of a prior fan failure. If the fan fails and there's no airflow moving across these resistors, they're likely to become open. So somebody might have changed a fan motor or changed the fan, and then you go back and all of a sudden now you only have your highest speed. Well, then you're going to have to go in and look at these resistors. So they can fall open. If they short circuit, well, then all of your fan speeds are going to be high speed because you're not going to be reducing the voltage to the fan motor. So these generally sit in the air plenum, and the airflow is what keeps them from failing prematurely.